We are entering a completely new era, where what once existed only in science fiction will soon become reality. AI, or artificial intelligence, is not only changing the way we work, but is also reshaping our entire lives. But have you ever thought about what the future will look like in 2050? Let's explore the incredible possibilities that AI will bring to the world. Imagine when you wake up in the morning in 2050, what will your house do? The smart home will know what kind of coffee you need before you even open your eyes. Al will adjust the room temperature, prepare your work schedule, and even adjust your diet based on your health status that it automatically analyzes. And what about the workplace? For repetitive or simple tasks like data management or financial analysis, AI will handle everything. You can simply command an AI system to work, and it will accomplish in seconds what would take a human hours to complete. According to a report by McKinsey, by 2050, 50% of current jobs could be automated by AI. However, instead of fearing job loss, we can see that AI will help people focus on more creative tasks. Imagine the city you live in by 2050. Self-driving cars not only take you to work safely, but also know how to choose the shortest and most optimal route. No more traffic jams, no more accidents, as all vehicles are controlled by AI with perfect accuracy. Cities will not only be smart, but also highly automated. From streetlights that adjust their brightness based on pedestrian traffic to automated waste management systems that recycle, every aspect of urban life will be managed by AI, helping to optimize resources and protect the environment. One of the biggest breakthroughs that AI will re-emerge in 2050 is in the medical field. Imagine an AI doctor who can diagnose diseases based on millions of global health data, providing precise and personalized treatment for each patient. You may not know that in 2023, AI helped researchers discover new drugs in days that previously took years. At this rate, by 2050, AI will not only cure many diseases, but also help people significantly extend their lives. Have you ever thought about a classroom where every student has their own teacher? With AI, every student will learn at their own pace, with personalized content. Agriculture will also change dramatically thanks to AI. AI systems will help automate crop care, monitor soil, weather, and even predict harvests. Experts predict that by 2050, AI could increase agricultural productivity by up to 70%, while significantly reducing the consumption of resources such as water and fertilizer. Artificial intelligence is not only changing the way we work, but also the way we entertain ourselves. AI will create movies, games, and entertainment content that is completely personalized to each person. Al has already begun to get involved in the production of movies and music. By 2050, you will be able to watch a movie that Al created entirely based on your personal preferences. AI is changing the way nations defend and fight. Future militaries will rely on robots and AI to protect the nation. I will help analyze and predict military strategies faster than any general. Smart machines will ensure the most accurate strategic decisions are made in the shortest possible time. Finance is also an area where AI will dominate. With AI, investment decisions will be more accurate, reducing risks and optimizing profits. AI can analyze millions of pieces of data in seconds to make investment decisions. Experts predict that by 2050, AI will manage more than 60% of global investment portfolios. As technology evolves, so do the threats from hackers. But AI will be the strongest line of defense in cybersecurity. AI can detect and prevent cyber attacks in real time. It is predicted that AI can reduce successful cyber attacks by up to 90% by 2050. Artificial intelligence is not only for science and technology, but can also create art. In the future, AI will create unprecedented works of painting, music, and movies. Art products created by AI have already started selling for millions of dollars. By 2050, AI will have the same creative ability as human artists. AI will be the key to unlocking a new era of space exploration. With the help of AI, we will be able to explore new planets that are otherwise inaccessible to humans. NASA has already started using AI to control spacecraft and analyze data from space. By 2050, AI could help us set foot on distant planets outside the solar system. In the future, buildings will not be designed only by humans, but also by AI. AI will come up with more optimal, environmentally friendly, and energy-saving designs. AI can help cut construction costs by up to 20%, while reducing construction time by half. By 2050, the majority of construction sites will be fully automated. Artificial intelligence will play a key role in the world's transition to clean energy. With its analytical and predictive capabilities, AI will optimize energy production and consumption. It is estimated that AI could help reduce global carbon emissions by up to 15% by 2050, while optimizing the use of renewable energy sources. Have you ever thought about Al designing your clothes? In the future, Al will not only predict fashion trends, but also help produce personalized clothes based on each person's preferences and measurements. Automated fashion manufacturing systems will reduce material waste by up to 30%, while producing clothes faster and more environmentally friendly. Sports is no exception to AI's development. With AI, athletes can optimize their abilities through detailed data analysis of health, performance, and competition strategy. AI is already being used to analyze data in football, basketball, and many other sports. By 2050, the use of AI in training and competition could become the norm, helping athletes achieve peak performance. Restaurants and the food industry will also be revolutionized by AI. From ingredient management, predicting dining trends to automated cooking, AI will help deliver higher quality meals faster. In the future, AI will not only be a consumer of news, but also a creator of it. With the ability to analyze data and write articles automatically, AI will create high-quality, personalized media content for each person. Al has already started being used to write news and create media content. By 2050, much of the news we read could be generated entirely by Al. The natural environment will be better protected thanks to AI. AI can monitor changes in the ecosystem, predict natural disasters, and take timely conservation measures. AI can help mitigate the impacts of climate change by managing resources more efficiently and predicting extreme weather events. Many conservation projects have already begun using AI to monitor wildlife and protect precious ecosystems. With the help of AI, we can expand the limits of our understanding of the universe. Intelligent spacecraft and robots will autonomously explore, analyze, and collect data from distant planets that humans have not yet been able to set foot on. NASA has used AI in its Mars exploration missions, and AI will play an important role in helping humans explore new solar systems. By 2050, AI could replace humans in exploring inaccessible regions of space. Imagine exploring natural wonders or famous historical sites around the world without leaving your home. With AI and virtual reality, VR technology, we will be able to travel around the world, even to places that are inaccessible in reality, with just a VR headset. Forecasts show that the virtual tourism industry will grow by more than 40% per year, and by 2050, more than 30% of all travel will be done entirely in virtual space. This will not only help protect the environment, but also bring rich travel experiences to people around the world. All of this leads to a larger question. What will our future look like as AI becomes an integral part of society? Will we live in a better, more convenient world, or will we face new challenges we never thought possible? The future of 2050 is still forming, and it is we, with how we use and develop AI today, who will decide that future. What do you think? Leave your opinion in the comment section below and don't forget to follow so you don't miss more interesting content about AI and technology.